Up the numbers, okay, see you don't want no thunder. The old Tracy McGrady, the one, okay, see you don't want no thunder, yeah.
Yo, what's good, everybody? I know it's been a minute. It's only Dennis, and I'm back with another video. So today, we are on a mission. It's been about, I don't know how long. I've had this car for about 2-3 weeks. I'm supposed to sell it right now in about an hour or so. Yeah. I have them at $6,500, which is going to just be a $500 profit. You win some, you lose some. I wouldn't call this a loss, but I learned a lot. I learned that Beamers don't sell very well, especially salvage title ones. They don't sell too well, so I will know in the future. Everything's a lesson, you know. I will know in the future that Beamers are hard to sell. This is my first one. It's a great, amazing car, but I'm ready for my next car. So yeah, we're supposed to meet up with the guy in a little bit to sell it. Let's hope that works out, and then we should be going to go get my next car, which is amazing. I talked this guy down so much. I don't know how I did it. He was asking $9,000 and I talked him down a lot. And if I do end up selling the car and buying that one, I will give you guys the numbers and I will show you guys the car. It's amazing. Like, I'm still surprised that he's okay with the price I'm offering. Such a good price, I'm almost skeptical. So I'm gonna go over there, I'm gonna check it out, make sure it's all good, because yeah, these cars, if it's bad one, it's a bad one. If it's a lemon, it's no good. But yeah, we're about to sell this hopefully in the next 30-40 minutes, and then I'm gonna go get the other one. I will hit you guys up when I get the other car. See you guys soon. Alrighty, what's up, everybody? So yesterday I wasn't able to finish that video because the people who came to look at the car yesterday never purchased it, but I did end up selling it this morning to a family member. She wanted the car. It'd be good for her, so she did end up purchasing it. I didn't make profit. I sold it as much as I purchased it for, so if you guys watch the other video, you guys will know how much I purchased it for and all that. But I'm here with my new car. This thing is beautiful. Wait, pause the video, go in the comments and guess what you think it is. You're wrong. It's a 2013 Audi A5. Yes, it is the coupe. This is the 2.0 turbo. I had the S5 before, which is a 2009, but this is the new body style. The guy actually put an S5 logo right there, which is funny, so I'm about to take this off because it's not a look. It says White Lightning, kind of like that. I think I'm gonna keep that. It has a sunroof, has these black Audi original rims. I believe these are original. They look really clean to be plastic dipped. The honeycomb grill. My favorite part, the interior, guys. Check that out. And this thing is a beauty. Yeah, so this one does have 103,000 miles on it, which is a little high, but the price I got it for, it's not bad at all. Right there, she is beautiful. All right, I'm gonna try to set you guys up and we're gonna see if we can go for a little drive. Let's see, get start her up. He has a custom intake on this, so you guys can hear that. Watch, we'll see when we're driving. Let me see where will I be able to place you guys? I don't want you guys to fall. All right, let's just try it like this, and if it falls, it falls. We shall try it just like that. It's gonna be a little bumpy and shaky. I apologize. Yeah, that window is screeching bad. Alrighty, so a few things I noticed about the Audi so far is the handling is very smooth. Feels like a brand new car, which for Audi 2013 is impeccable. Like my big vocabulary, I know. Oh, there you guys went. Maybe I'll just try holding it like this. Actually, let's not hold it like this. Hold on. Technical difficulties, work with me, please. Alright, I really hope that thing's not in the way. The mirror. I hope you guys can see me, whatever. It is what it is. Oh, and it left. All right. I'm gonna cut this all out. Alrighty, so setting off in the Audi A5. First thing I noticed is it's very smooth. Drives really well. Drives very well. Takes bumps nicely. Sounds really good. Here, I'll give you guys a little bit of sound to it. Ooh, it has that turbo, that whistle, the turbo sounds fantastic. Yo, what's up, everybody? I hope you guys really enjoyed that video of the new car. I've been driving it for about a day now. It's great. It's everything I thought it'd be. It's beautiful. Money moves. All right, guys. So I'm gonna start recording a new series. I just want to talk to you guys about pawn shop series. So I'm gonna insert pictures here of everything I purchased and how much I sold it for. So last week, from a pawn shop, I purchased the Xbox One. I got a MacBook 2012, Apple Watch Series 4, a Belovo watch, and a Samsung Galaxy watch as well. I will have pictures on how much I purchased them for and how much I sold them for. I want to say, don't quote me on this, I want to say I made close to a $300 profit last week just buying and selling stuff from pawn shops. Yeah, so I'm gonna start recording more of all that. Right here is actually, I just purchased a women's Movado watch. Right here, I have the paper for it. I paid $80 for it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there, you can see the name of the watch, Movado, $80. So I'm actually gonna get this. I'm gonna post it up for $140. I'll take $130 for it. Just I try to go for a $50 profit with everything I buy and sell. So yeah, I'm gonna start recording more of that when I go into pawn shops. Actually, just let me know in the comments below. Would you guys like me to record that and show you guys how to do it and what I do to make the most profit and how I negotiate at a pawn shop that lowers the price significantly. Yeah. You know, we're all about the monies. We're about the monies, and we're trying to make the monies. This is what I've been doing full time. I've been buying, selling, flipping now because my job still isn't open due to quarantine and COVID-19. Anyways, that's not stopping the hustle. We're still working. We're still getting the money. The new car, I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. I don't remember if I told you guys the price of the car. If I didn't, in the comments below, guess how much. And in the next video, I will tell you guys. The winner, I'll cash out $10 if you can guess the right exact amount how much I paid for the 2013 Audi A5. But yeah, guys, actually the car's already posted. I have a couple people who are interested, might come look at the car tomorrow. So who knows, I might make a quick $1,300 profit in a day or two. So besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. I really hope you guys have been enjoying the channel and all the videos I've been posting. I know it's not as frequent as I'd like. They're about once a week right now, which I'm going to try to start uploading way more. But for what it is, I hope you guys enjoy it. Please leave a like, share, subscribe, comment down below the price of the car if you guys are interested in seeing the pawn shop series. And yeah, it's been Only Dennis with you guys, and I hope you guys are having a great day. You guys stay safe, take care, stay at home. See you guys next time.